A year ago, Christina had surgical treatment for weight loss. Today, she's following up on her lab work with Dr. Lee. Since her surgery, Christina visits monthly to check on weight loss, medical conditions, or any barriers to ongoing success. Before her surgery, Christina was pre-diabetic with a body mass index over 40 and a full busy life. Her life is still busy, but a lot has changed. Now Christina is no longer diabetic. Her energy levels have improved and she can walk and exercise without being short of breath. In the waiting room, Christina chats with Carlos, another post-op patient she knows from the free support groups. Carlos is a lawyer with a demanding schedule. He had poor eating habits, always eating on the run or at restaurants with clients. Even with having to work with his clients, he has learned to make better food choices and ensures he is eating the correct portions of food. They both had their surgeries last year, but Christina had gastric bypass surgery, which is the surgery that bypasses the majority of the stomach and some of the small intestine, losing weight by limiting food intake and some absorption. Carlos' surgeon recommended a gastric sleeve, in which a large portion of the stomach is removed and the remaining stomach is in the shape of a thin tube. Both Carlos and Christina agree that the post-op support has made a huge difference. Christina learned a lot from her personal trainer, and Carlos says the dietitian helped him completely change his attitude towards food. He still eats with clients, but he's learned to make better food choices and eat correct portions. The psychologist has been amazing too. All these services are available to the GW Weight Loss and Surgery Center. Carlos calls it a one-stop shop. When she visits with Dr. Lee, Christina's happy to learn that her lab work looks great. Christina knows she never could have done it alone. With the help of the bariatric team at the George Washington University Hospital, she's created good long-term habits for her health. Are you ready to build a healthy new life? Call 1-888-4GW-DOCS to schedule a free virtual seminar and plan your next steps.